Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to shoot a quick follow-up video on the battery cable crimper video that I did. I shot the video July 12th, 2014, and some people had said that I kept pumping on the crimper and I was damaging the O-ring, that it was going to die, it never was going to last. So here's the same crimper, looks a little more used, and I'm going to show you that it still works. I work in a hot rod shop and we crimp tons of battery cables all the time. So this thing has probably crimped almost 100 cables since that last video. So I want to show me crimp another cable, but before we get to that, had a lot of questions over the cutters. This is the PWC 80A battery cable cutter from Snap-on or Blue Point. I don't like this one as much as I like the channel lock number 911. This thing is a beast. It'll actually cut braided AN line. And then since the video, I've discovered this battery cable stripper, the Easy Red, what is that, the 793 CS. I highly recommend you search for this and get one. It strips battery cables perfect. So anyway, so we got a cable ready here. It's already stripped. So I'm going to crimp this. I'm going to hand the camera over. Chuck's going to hold the camera, and I'm going to take the battery cable crimper out. I'm going to put this in here and get it choked up. Okay, now, all right, we're good and tight. There we go. You can see the gap right here. I'm gonna have to put it on the table here because I get more leverage. Okay, that's tight. The gap is just closed, so we open it up, and there's the crimp. Still going strong for all these years. Get the camera back. So that proves that this little $40 tool, I don't know what they cost now, the $40 tool is still working perfect. So anyhow, thanks for watching. If you hadn't seen the original video, I'll link it down in the description. And if you like my videos, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.